Welcome to our comparison of two powerful Asus motherboards, the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your gaming needs. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 utilizes the AM4 socket, making it compatible with AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors. In contrast, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS features the AM5 socket, designed for the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. This difference in socket compatibility is crucial for users planning to upgrade their systems or build new ones. When it comes to memory, the ROG Strix B550-F supports DDR4 memory, allowing for speeds up to 2033 MHz. On the other hand, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS supports the newer DDR5 memory, which can reach speeds of up to 6400 MHz. This advancement in memory technology can lead to better performance in gaming and multitasking scenarios. The ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 features PCIe 4.0, providing excellent bandwidth for graphics cards and storage devices. However, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS takes it a step further with PCIe 5.0 support, which offers double the bandwidth, making it more future-proof for next-gen graphics cards and NVMe SSDs. In conclusion, both motherboards offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is an excellent choice for those looking for value and solid performance with older Ryzen processors. Meanwhile, the TUF Gaming B650-PLUS is ideal for gamers wanting the latest technology and features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.